Hey guys, welcome back again. This video is all about FA4 project work of 10th class. Yes, 10th class maths project work. Okay, let's start. So, student profile. In the first page, you have to neatly mention the first introduction part as student profile. Okay, first of all, write down your name, then your class, then your roll number, then subject, which is maths, then topic is sector of the circle. Sector of the circle. Then you have to mention the date. Okay, then subject, teacher, name. Okay, whoever teach you mathematics, just write down their name. Then signature of student, sorry, signature of teacher. After that, signature of the principal or headmaster. Okay, so coming to the project work, so in the bold letter you have to write it down, sector of a circle and its area and a length. Okay, first objective, to derive the formula A equal to theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square for the area of the sector of the circle and to verify it by the experimentary method. Second point, to derive the formula L equal to theta by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r for the length of the sector of a circle and to verify it by experimental method. Okay, then material used or material needed, graph needed, chart paper means color paper, geometry box, then measuring tape, thread and pencil. Okay, next recite knowledge, that is sector of a circle, area of a triangle, area of the circle, circumference of the circle and the graphical method of finding the area. Okay, let's start the procedure. So procedure, OA OB is the major sector of the circle in the figure where theta is the angle of the sector. Let's see the figure. So, okay, this is the figure. The red part is our this angle. This is what our sector is. Okay, right? Okay. So that midpoint is OA and OB. Okay. So like that, then just see the procedure. OABP is the mirror sector of the circle. We shall refer this sector as the sector OAB. We know that as the angles theta of the sector increases, the area of the sector OAB also increases in the same ratio. When theta becomes 360 degrees in the area of the sector is equal to the area of the circle, which is equal to pi r square. Then A1, the area of the sector OAB equal to theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r square. Similarly, length of the arc AB is theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Then we draw circle on the graph paper, keeping radius as constant and the angle theta as the variable. Okay, actually we should not read it. Okay, why I'm reading, the main purpose of reading all this uh, what you say, these paragraphs, why? Because if you have any doubts while regarding writing your project work, if you listen to this video you may correct your words. Okay, that is the main intention. Okay, let's see. We will measure the area of different sectors counting the squares on the graph paper. We also measure the arc length of those sectors using a thread card measuring tape. Thread, using a thread or measuring tape. Compare these results with the areas and arc length. Calculated using the formula, we record the data as follows like this. So for that you need to draw a table. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns. Okay, one by one just draw. Let's see, I'm just swiping very slowly here. First write down the serial number, then angle of figure, then area. For angle of figure you need a graph paper. Okay, then a angle, then area by graphical method, then area by using formula, then arc length by measurement. Okay, then arc length using formula. Okay, like that. Here we have taken two here and the rest are here, third point, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, I'm slowly swiping this. Please note down very carefully without doing any mistakes. Okay guys, so these are all the measurements you need to mention very carefully without uttering even a single mistake. Then sixth and seventh are here. Okay, draw the circle within the graph by taking a measurement, equal measurement of circle in every graph. Okay guys, so these are all the measurements, okay, by using the formula. Okay, after, okay guys, so okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you all liked it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.